Right, I'm really excited to get my VermiBag Max set up. Ready for the African night crawlers to start moving in. Okay, my husband made the stand for me last week. Yay. Okay, so according to the instructions, I need to put 3 sheets of dampened newspaper down, and then on top of that, I'll put some moist bedding on there. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here we go with the damp newspapers. I hope I could reach. Uh-oh, newspaper's broke. I think I got it too wet. Oh, geez, I'm not doing well right off the bat, am I? Well, I guess it doesn't have to be perfect, but these are all broken up. Yeah, this one's a little bit better. Yeah. Ah! Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Hopefully that will suffice. All right, and here comes my moist bedding. Here we go. Moist bedding. And let me get some gloves on and my Africans, and I'll be right back. All right, here's my one tote. I don't know, I'm just gonna dump it. Hopefully they'll be okay with that. One tote of Africans. I have several. I'm just gonna do one tote. They are. Here they are, right here. One tote at a time. They were around the food that I fed them last time. All right. Let me get them all out of here. Growing like crazy. All right, I think I got all of them. If not, I'll get them out later. Now, I do have some food for them. This is not a large amount of worms. These are a smaller amount of worms. I have like 3 or 4 totes of them. My plan is to feed them or add to them one week at a time. Ugh. Let's see how they do with this. This is mushy bread. I know it's not their favorite, but it is food, extra food. That's why I'm only doing one tote at a time. This is like what do you call that? Oh, let me get some other. Pineapple is what I want to say, and some asparagus. What is this? Orange peels. So we'll see how they'll do with this. should make quick work of it. Oh look, there's one already trying to climb on there. And some neem seed meal. And some moist bedding. So what do we do with that? And I do have some shredded, well, it's just torn newspapers that I've had for a while, so I might as well put it in here. Okay. Not very organized here. I have a lot of this newspaper here. Grab it with both hands. All right, and that's it for my new African nightcrawler bin. And next week I'll add, if everything goes well and they're all still alive, I'll go ahead and add more, another of my African nightcrawler totes. And that's it. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.